Hello, it's Jules. Saw this today. The Queen at Buckingham Palace, they're having a reception. As you can see, she's already coughing. Says that she is recovering from a chest infection. So I found it interesting that she coughs 3 times before she goes and puts her dirty hands on people. Lovely. Where are your manners? I do say. You don't say. Okay. I encourage you to go take a look at this video yourself. Put out, I'm sure by many different things, but I happened to run across this on Metro. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it here. There's quite a few things that are pretty interesting that you can kind of pick up on that's being said. Let's go ahead and hit play.
I think you'd like that. Very, very extra hot sauce. Delicious.
He thinks that she would like that. Very, very something sauce. He thinks that she would like that. Interesting. If you know, you know.
I think you'd like that. Very, very extra hot sauce. Delicious.
So delicious. Do you know my new friend?
She's marvelous.
Oh, yes, darling. Find it interesting that in a minute we'll see that lady again and his new friend, right, that's just meeting the queen, but she tells the king that she misses him. Found that interesting. So apparently her and the king know each other. Anyways, next little situation here. They're going to talk about it later. Yeah. Later. Apparently she's quite the comedian as well, but I just thought it was weird the way that the guy she just got through talking to here is looking at her. I'm going to go ahead and back it up and play that again. Check his lookout. Whoa. Okay. Moving on to... Check this out, what she says here. All alleged, all speculation, just simply saying what I think I'm hearing, okay? For entertainment purposes only. Alrighty. She managed to escape, it sounds like she says. Gonna go ahead and back it up. I hope this isn't bad sounding because I'm turning the volume up a tad more. That's around 202, 204. Do go back and check that out for yourself. See what you think. And then I'm just going to go ahead and let it play because here's the next clip. Strictly girls or strictly pew-pews, she's saying? Strictly girls, right? Okie dokie. And, you know, there's some pretty interesting things. I just thought I'd go ahead and share that with you guys if y'all wanted to look it up for yourself and maybe you have a way of hearing the background and the chatter, understanding it better. But you know, there's some pretty interesting things that are said. I guess I could go to the part where I said that. Here we are. I think it's right after talking to them. There's always something. And here's his new friend to the side of him that he introduced the queen to. I miss you. She looks pretty sad. She looks like she's about to burst into tears. So apparently she knows the king and had just met the queen, and I guess that's his new friend too. So they must go back further than the queen or this guy. Let's check out. I miss you.
I did one.
Okay. All right. So anyways, comment, like, tell me what you think. Have a blessed day.